Hello, this is Mr. Reynolds, and I'm at home. My wife's not here, so I'm in the kitchen, and we need to introduce a couple things. We need to introduce how things dissolve, different types of solvents. There's really two types. They either have charges or they don't have charges. You can apply that to almost every single substance that you have. Paints, it's water-based, that's charges, or it's oil-based paints, that's no charges. And just about everything is like that. Acetone for removing fingernail polish, real good non-polar, no charges solvent. Okay, gasoline, a very good solvent also for uncharged things. Oil and grease is real good with that. What I want to show you, I've got a paper towel. Okay, and it's damp. It's not dripping wet. It's just damp, so it's got water in there. Water has charges. I'm going to wipe it on the floor here. That's why my wife's not here. Okay, I'm just going to wipe it on the floor some. And any dirt particles, most dirt particles have charges. Okay, so that will attract to water. The rule is like dissolves like. Okay, and here's what we've got from this floor some. Okay, and if you tell my wife this, I'm going to say I do not know you. Okay, that's what's going on. So charges is polar molecules, like dissolves alike. Okay.
Yeah.
If it's something like water, okay, water is a polar solvent. Polar solutes will dissolve in that. Okay. Paint thinner, mineral spirits. Mineral spirits is organic solvent or a non-polar solvent. Non-polar solutes like grease will dissolve in that. Remember my son Patrick, if you probably heard him already, he's home here also. He had a nasty grease mark on here several years ago. And I remember his aunt, we couldn't get it off with soap and water. We didn't want to rub his face too hard because he's sensitive to that. And she just put a dab of Vaseline on it. We came back in about 10 minutes, half hour, I forget which, and just wiped it off. The grease had dissolved in the Vaseline, and we just wiped it off. Okay, like dissolves like. Things with charges dissolving things with charges. Things without charges dissolving things without charges. Okay, oil and water don't mix. Oil doesn't have charges. Water does. Okay, so that's why they separate out. They do not mix together on it. And thank you very much. And again, I don't know you.